Hi, my name is Amber Creamer, and I'm a certified EMDR therapist and licensed therapist in California, Georgia, and Florida. And I create a space where the women I work with are able to bring all parts of themselves so that we can explore their strengths, talents, and resilience. I also create a space where the women I work with are able to get real about the way that racism, sexism, and societal pressures have shaped their lives so that we can begin to explore that. We also process how their lived experience may be rooted in survival and how this has shaped the way that they have moved through their world. I feel that this gives the women I work with a deeper understanding of the cultural context in which the symptoms and problems they are experiencing are able to survive and thrive so that they're able to move out of places of shame. So oftentimes we will move between individual and collective healing because the healing and the work that we're doing on an individual basis, they're hoping that it will translate into the communities and the households that they're in, and it will create ripple effects. My clients really do pride themselves on being cycle breakers, and they're really wanting to create an environment where their legacy is not affected by the same relational trauma that they experienced so that their children won't have to grow up the way that they did. I see so much strength in them because they have taken on this difficult task of creating families and systems that look different and feel different than what they experienced growing up. And they should have never been tasked with this, but they are. And they've taken the challenge on. And this is what community cultural wealth means. It's being able to get in there, do the work, and create change and create a space where we are collectively supporting each other and being able to heal, not only individually, but on a collective level. And oftentimes it starts with the individual.